Hey everyone, today we are going to break down AWS S3, Amazon's cloud storage service, using simple real life examples. Whether you're new to cloud or just want a clear understanding, this is for you. So, what is AWS S3? AWS S3 stands for Simple Storage Service. It's a way to store files like documents, images, videos on the internet securely and with access anytime from anywhere. Let's see a real life analogy. Think of S3 like a safe storage facility. You rent a unit, put stuff in it, and lock it up. S3 works the same, but for digital files. And what is S3 bucket? In AWS, a bucket is your main container. You can have one for photos, another for logs, and so on. So what goes into buckets? The files you store are called objects. Each object is a file plus details about it, like a tag on a storage box. Permissions, who has the key? Just like sharing or locking your real storage units, S3 lets you decide who can do what with your files. Versioning, a feature in AWS S3 is like a time machine. Even if someone overwrites a file, the old version is still there just in case. Let's see real life use cases. Whether you're a startup or enterprise, S3 handles everything from backups to media delivery. Why do people love S3? S3 is built to grow with you. It's secure, cost efficient, and fast. Yeah, so one warning, don't leave your bucket public unless you mean to. That's like leaving your locker wide open. So to sum it up, buckets store objects, you control who access them, and S3 handles it all securely and efficiently. So that's what we had for you in this video. Thank you for watching. If this helped you understand AWS S3 better, give it a like and subscribe for more talk made simple. See you in our next video.